Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick guide, I will show you exactly how to add Apple Cash to your Cash App account in 2025 step by step. First, open the wallet app on your iPhone. Tap your Apple Cash card, then hit the three dots in the top right corner to open more options. Now tap transfer to bank. Enter the amount you want to transfer, then choose either 1 to 3 business days for a free transfer or instant transfer for a small fee. Once you're ready, confirm the transfer using Face ID, Touch ID, or your password. Now that your Apple Cash is in your bank, open the Cash app on your iPhone. Tap the Money tab and tap Add Cash. Enter the same amount you just transferred from your bank. Finally, confirm the amount you're done. Your Apple Cash is now available in your Cash app. So this is it. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips and how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. As always, I have promised with a new fresh content.